How to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome. Remove an old password from Chrome before it gets auto-filled again. Let's clean it up. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now look at the top right corner and click the three dots. From the menu, click Settings. On the Settings page, look at the left-hand side. Then click Autofill and Passwords. On the right, click Google Password Manager. You'll now see the passwords Chrome has saved to your account. Find the website or account whose password you want to remove. Then click the saved entry. Chrome may ask you to verify your computer password or another security method. If it does, complete the verification. Now click Delete. When Chrome asks you to confirm, click Delete again. That's it. That saved login has now been removed from Google Chrome's password manager, so Chrome won't use that saved password for autofill anymore. If this helped you clean up your saved passwords, like the video and subscribe for more quick Chrome and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.